I like academic writing, you know. I enjoy it. And telling, you know, working on Peretz now as an ideologue, but you can't separate his writing, you know, his fiction from anything else he did. But Peretz as, you know, the creator of a modern Jewish, Yiddish diaspora culture, you know, that was going to serve, you know, he wasn't an anti-Zionist, he wasn't an anti-anything. I mean, you know, he was anti, you know, bullshit, of course, but you know, he believed that the Jewish masses would remain in Eastern Europe. Some would go, you know, a handful would go to Israel, whatever. And this is where he was, and this is where he had to work. And he had, very different from us, he had, you know, millions of Jews who were Yiddish speaking, and he wanted to do something for them and to deal with what it meant to be in Golis, you know, and to create a modern culture, as we know, equal with any other culture, equal with French culture or Russian culture or German culture. And that was a very noble aspiration, and the way he configured diaspora and you know, what it meant, you know, how you live in diaspora and yet, you know, work for the Jews but not just for the Jews, that's a fascinating place to be.